1, 2, 3. Y'all ready for it?
What's he say?
Hey, it's time, baby. It's time. Let's go, Trey. It's what we come. This is what you come play. This is what you come play in the SEC for right here.
Keep growing. Keep growing together as a team. Not as a person, but as a team. Hey guys, we got 33 days left together. 33 days left together. Let's make each second count, man. Hey, let's walk out of this thing as a team on that sideline, man. I don't care, man. I want to see energy. I want to see energy. Let's walk out of this thing. Let's get this W. Let's go.
Slot to the right, this time a handoff to Wilkins. He's got a hole. He's to the 30, to the 34-yard line, knocked off his feet there, a hair bit shy of the first down.
Can't lose, dog. Can't lose, dog.
Quick throw and incomplete as Brown couldn't hold on 3rd and short.
All right, let's just keep playing, man. You know how the deal is. We're playing for 60 minutes. We're never stopping, and we're going to get after them no matter what happens. Got it?
While Ole Miss would come up short, LSU would strike with the first big play of the night.
2nd and 1. Quickly to Darrell Williams. Well blocked, and Darrell Williams past midfield. It's a dash down the sideline. Big chunk play from Darrell Williams as Woods finally tracked him down.
With their backs against the wall early, the Landshark defense would come out swinging.
This is Williams, tackled for a loss that time by DeMarcus Gates.
2nd and goal from the 7. Handoff, guys. He's dropped at the 5-yard line. Got 2 back as he tried the middle.
Hey! Hey, 3rd down! Let's go! Let's go! 3rd down!
3rd and goal from the 6. There's the snap. He's looking to throw. Lots of time. Now sprints out to his right. Looks toward the end zone. Pump fakes. He's hit. Driven out of bounds. He didn't throw it. So 4th and goal from the 18. This is at the 25, a 35-yard effort. The kick is on its way. And that one was right there and good for LSU.
Hey! Attack! 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 Let's go! Attack! Attack!
Wilkins bottled up and then shakes loose, kept his balance, and still ahead out to the 32-yard line.
A quick 14-yard pickup by Jordan Wilkins would spark the Rebel offense.
31-yard field goal for Gary Wunderlich. Snap back and down. The kick has plenty of distance, and it is good. We're tied at 3-3 with 5:53 to go in the first quarter.
Starting quarterback for Ole Miss, Shea Patterson, has been taken to the locker room with a right knee injury. I can tell you that as he limped past me, guys, he is very upset by whatever has occurred.
Hey! Hey! Hey, nobody panic. Nobody panic. Just do your job, baby. Just do your job. We're in good shape. Hey, let's get our tempo going and finish. We're good. We're good. Let's go.
So here is Jordan Ta'amu in at quarterback for Ole Miss. And Sweeney has a big hole and a first down and a little more for the Rebels.
Sweeney! Sweeney!
There's a snap. Ta'amu to throw. Fires a bullet. Caught by the Rebels at the 35-yard line. That's Van Jefferson. Spins away from one man. Down at the 33.
Here is a design quarterback run, and look at him go. Jordan Ta'amu, and smartly gets out just inside the 20.
Let go, Mariota! Mariota!
Ta'amu would run the 2-minute drill to perfection, and Gary Wunderlich's field goal would bring the Rebels within 7 points of the number 24 ranked Tigers.
Been here at halftime the last 2 weeks saying win the second half. That's what we said. We said win the second half. It's going to take all of us. And I just want you to dig down deep where you keep your guts, and you find something extra. You find 1% extra. Let's go find a way to win this game in the second half. Let's go together. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
The first 2 possessions of the second half would be a trade-off.
32-yard kick right in the middle of the field, and a little soft swing through, and it is good. And LSU gets back up by 10.
Here is Wunderlich back out there. Kickers doing their job tonight.
But a quarterback keeper with 6:04 left in the third would put the Rebels in a 23-9 hole.
Hey, don't go pop. I promise y'all. Don't go pop. Don't go pop. Come on, one. We too close up. Let's go. Don't go pop. Hey, come on, Jay. Don't go pop.
Patterson would push his offense down the field, gutting out a much-needed scoring drive.
4th and 5, trying to stay alive. Caught for a first down to 6'4" Dawson Knox. Wilkins waiting and then finding something, and here he goes, Jordan Wilkins. 28-yard touchdown.
I told you they gonna pop, baby. Let's keep going.
Hey, y'all keep playing, baby. Keep playing. Keep playing. Keep playing.
As quickly as the game was brought into reach, the night would turn for the Rebels. Passes that seemed destined for the home team.
Great effort on the ball, coming away with it somehow was Tolliver. That is an incredible interception.
Would end up wrapped in purple and gold. A valiant effort by Jordan Ta'amu would put a final 8 points on the board for the Rebels, leaving them 2 scores behind their rivals from Baton Rouge.
That'll end the game here. It goes to all zeros. LSU 40 and Ole Miss 24. The Tigers walk away with a victory here in Oxford.
Hey, love you, man. We'll get through it together, man. We'll get through it together. Looked out there tonight. There were some warriors out there that gave their bodies up tonight. For that, I'm grateful to those guys that were giving it up. We didn't make the plays we needed to make to win that game. Now, y'all stick together. No matter what, we're in this together. No matter what. And just keep coming back to work and keep getting better, and that's what we'll do. Hey, I love you guys. We're a team. We're a team. Y'all fought for each other tonight. There wasn't any finger pointing. We just didn't get it done, bottom line. We'll get up. We got knocked down. We've been knocked down before. We'll get back up and we'll keep fighting, okay? Just disappointed in the outcome, obviously. I thought the guys competed and had some guys that laid their body on the line, and a bunch of hurt guys in that locker room right now. But I thought they competed, and we didn't make the plays we needed to make. We didn't stop the run like we needed to. And we didn't make the one-on-one plays that we need to make to win a game like that. I just think you got to give them a lot of credit. You know, they didn't change anything. They just went out and played coverage, and they did a nice job. So I think you got to give them a lot of credit.
We were banking on those one-on-one matchups, and we didn't make the most of them. I think we had a couple other opportunities too that we could have taken advantage of early, and I'm frustrated that we didn't. But you know, I think the kids played hard. I just don't think we made the plays we had to, and LSU did.
You know, we're not going to doubt what we're doing, not going to look out the window. We're going to get back to work and address the things that need to be addressed and move forward. And 11 o'clock next Saturday, we have another SEC team coming here. We have to get ready to play that game.